My neighbor framed me until his doorbell camera exposed everything. I woke up to cops banging on my door at 6 a.m. They said my neighbor accused me of stealing a package worth over $2,000. He even showed them security footage of someone wearing a hoodie walking onto his porch. The problem? The person was about my height and my car was parked outside, so they believed him. I almost got arrested. Then one officer asked a simple question. Does anyone else have a camera facing this house? Turns out the neighbor forgot about his own doorbell camera. When they pulled up the full recording, it showed him carrying the package inside his own house, waiting about 20 minutes, then walking back outside, hiding it in his garage and calling the police. He was trying to frame me because we'd been arguing over a property line for months. Instead of me getting arrested, he was charged with filing a false police report and attempting to fabricate evidence. I never heard another word from him after that.